Hello guys and welcome to another video. This is Liaukuras Moments and in today's video I have a pretty special product to unbox. So we have here the Xbox Series S, the new generation console from Xbox. So we're gonna unbox it, take a closer look all over the details and play some games. Let's start! First of all, Xbox Series S is the smallest Xbox ever made. It's almost 60% smaller than the Xbox Series X, but still brings you the next generation speed with the Xbox Velocity architecture powered by a new custom 512GB SSD that will give you incredible fast load times, seamless game switching and a great game performance. The Xbox Series S is all digital, so if you are a disc collector or if you wanna play Blu-ray movies, maybe the Series X is for you, as it can play disc from previous Xbox models as well. The Xbox Series S is also backwards compatible with thousands of games, and obviously you need to have them digitally so you can enjoy games from Xbox One, Xbox 360 and original Xbox games with faster load times, higher resolution and a better input latency. This next generation console can play your games at 120 frames per second at 1440 pixels in supported displays, and it also supports HDR. If you have a 4K TV, this can be upscaled to 4K for the games, and it can also stream 4K media playback from your favorite media like Netflix, Amazon Prime, Disney or other apps. The box looks pretty basic with some advertisement of games in the back and the features and what's included on the side. As we open the box, the Xbox seems very well protected there with that fat carton, so that's very good. In the box you can find straight the console with that green message, power your dreams. It definitely looks small, but it's not light at all, it's pretty heavy for its size. The design, as you see, it's simple but very nice with that robe white and the black fan that look like a speaker. In the package you can also find a quick guide, the cables, they give you HDMI cable and a power cord, and of course the new Xbox Series XS controller with two AAA batteries. The new Xbox Series XS controller have a little bit different design from its previous model and it's also a little bit smaller. It have the new high-tech D-pad, a new share button and a nice texture grip with micro dots so you can hold it better. I have made a separate video about the controller so you can watch it after. About the console, I'm really impressed how small and nice it is. Great simple design that fits in with any living room and any furniture. You can put the device vertically or horizontally as there is rubber fit on two sides. And that's the hardest thing to choose as both sides looks very nice. In the front of the console you have the Xbox button that turns the console on when you press it. We got the pair button and a USB 3.1 port. In the back we got our Ethernet port, two USB 3.1 ports, HDMI output, a storage expansion port, and this is where you can expand the storage with the special 1TB Seagate storage expansion card that they made for the Xbox Series XS consoles. This sold separately and it costs $200 extra. And at the end here is where we're gonna plug in the power cord. So connecting the power cord and the HDMI to the TV and our Xbox is ready. As I have my router near to the Xbox, I plug in an Ethernet cable, otherwise you can connect the Xbox to the Wi-Fi. Alright, so we set it up, everything is ready, we connect it to the Ethernet because the router is right here, and I'm ready to press the power button and I'm gonna see on our screen on the TV. Let's do it. Pressing the Xbox logo, we open the console and the Xbox will turn on with a big logo appearing in our screen. You can set up the Xbox with the Xbox app on your phone by using the code that will show in your screen, but I decided to skip that and do it from the console. So you select the language, there is many languages if you want to select your local language. I select English. Next, if you will use wirelessly the internet, you will have a message to connect your router with a password. Mine is connected via Ethernet. After, select your country and start the update. It will take its time, so be patient. Next, turn on the controller and it will ask you to press the A button and update the controller as well. Next, sign in with a Microsoft account. If you make it from the Xbox app, I believe most probably you will skip all these steps and will take the information from the application. After, confirm your age, understand and accept some policies and how they share your data. You can put a passkey or to sign in every time for safety. After, choose a color. And then of course they advertise the Xbox Game Pass Ultimate that gives you more than 100 games to download. I'll skip it for now, but I believe it definitely worth it, and especially with digital device, that's pretty good deal. Anyway, if you're looking for more information about the Game Pass, I'll make a review very soon, so make sure to subscribe for that video. So I will click no thanks for now, and next we choose the time zone. Choose if you want energy saving when not using or instant on. I put energy saving for now. Select keep games updated, and that's it. So this is the main menu, the home, and it's performing actually very nice, fast and smooth. Of course they have also the Game Pass here to advertise if you wanna activate it. I can see some games here and options. You can go to general TV display option to check your TV. So my TV supports 1080p 50 Hz, and I'm very curious how it would look like and play in a lower resolution from its capabilities. This is the games that added recently on the Game Pass, and this is all the games that are on Xbox Game Pass Ultimate. There are even older games from Xbox 360 or even Xbox Original, and you can still play them here. There is more than 100 plus games to play. Look at all this list, that's amazing. There is also many free games to play like Rocket League, Warzone, Hitman, Roblox, Fortnite and Apex Legends and other more, but you will need the Gold Live for enjoying them online. A big disappointment here is the storage, as from 512GB available is only 361GB, and with all that games digitally you will need definitely to expand it or delete games all the time. If you're playing not new generation games that made for Xbox Series XS, then you could use an external hard drive or SSD to expand your storage. For new games that made for the Series XS, you will need to either use the internal memory or purchase the external storage expansion of 1TB, which is ridiculous because it costs more than the half of the price of the console, but it is what it is. So if you wanna save $220, external hard drive will do the work to install older titles. Alright, let's play some games now! As you see, load times is quite fast, and this is all thanks to the SSD drive inside. So far the performance was amazing and loading screen lasts couple seconds. Even I play the game in 1080p TV and at 50 Hz, the graphics looks amazing. The interface is fast and snappy, and quick resume is unbelievably crazy fast. You can switch between games without waiting for loading screen, and that's amazing with a quick resume. You can have a look on some of my favorite games so far.
And it's Barcelona's turn now. And he's broken free. And it's there for him. And just like that, Lionel Messi has scored.
Shit, I think I know this cop. Aw, cute. I'm serious, he's bad news.
We scored big on this one. There's some prime hunting here.
Going all over the place tonight.
He is shooting.
Oh! He's okay.
Now he's on top of
console.
And now he's in a lot of danger.
Throwing stuff.
20 seconds left. Bravo's moving forward. Defend it. 10 seconds left.
Alright, so this was the Xbox Series S. Overall, I believe it's a great console, and with having a Game Pass, it's a great combination. Storage will be definitely a big issue as everything is digital, but we can overpass it with external hard drives. Also, as this console max resolution is 1440 pixels, so if you want it for 4K gaming, this will work as it upscaled to 4K, but you will have better results with the Xbox Series X. I tried out with my two 1080p monitors and it was great, but I think it would perfectly pair with 1440p monitor at high FPS. At the end, it's quite impressive of what it is and how small it is. You can't hear the fans or any noise from it, and it's the most affordable next generation console out there. Alright guys, if you find this video helpful, hit the like button as it definitely helps the channel, and subscribe to stay up to date on everything that I publish. Have a great rest of the day, and until next time, let's make moments we can never forget. Peace. Again, you was playing all night. Oh my god. You like it so much. Yeah. You was playing all night again, eh? What I told you, don't play Xbox all night. Alright? Go to sleep, go to sleep, go to sleep, go to your bed. Go to your bed. Oh.